Okay, so my boss is coming in 20 minutes. I went to my dentist. He called today and he's like, can you come over? And that is because my wisdom teeth, I'm going to insert a picture right here. As you can see, it's literally damaging my other teeth. And it's basically growing like this and it has damaged the roots and all of that. So yeah, they're just going to remove the damaged tooth. And I am so nervous. I'm actually extremely nervous. But my dentist, he's a sweetheart. He makes me feel really comfortable and calm. Like, he just knows his ways and stuff, and I feel like he's like a family member to me now. I've never had my tooth being pulled out ever in my whole entire life. Also, I bought myself some new gym clothes and I'm loving this one so much. This top. On the side it says just do it. I'm so excited to show you my gym clothes, my gym schedule and stuff like that. I also got myself this glute band. And I just cannot wait until I start gym and work out again, because I have been taking a break from working out and all of that. But I really need to get back on it. I've also got visitors, one right here. And then I've got other pimples. I've got 3 pimples, one here, and then one here. Just don't want to leave me, but it's okay. 9 minutes left until my bus comes. I've been waiting here for 20 minutes and it's getting really hot. I've been holding this camera for so long. I will talk to you all once I get home so we can bake together and have fun and just chit chat, I guess. This is the first time I'm going to bake this, but it's so yummy. My cousin actually made it before, and do you know how many I ate? So in Swedish it's called toskakaka or something like that, and my cousin made it and I just kept on eating it even though my stomach was full and it was screaming. That's how good it was. Yeah, so, but yeah, I will talk to you once I get home. So I'm finally back home. So I just looked it up what I'm basically going to bake. In Swedish it's called kokostoskakaka, but in English it's called chocolate and coconut toska cake. Toska? I don't know. I really don't know. This is so weird. Kokostoskakaka. Yeah, in English it's called chocolate and coconut toska cake, whereas in Swedish it's called gotta check, kokostoskakaka. I got all the things that is basically needed to bake this delicious cake. You can see it says farin here, and that is basically me. So this is me in a packet, brown sugar. Farin socker is basically needed in this to bake this, and before I start I need to just eat something. You know how you have lip gloss? I always eat it like this. No! First thing I'm going to do is wear my baking, I don't know, baking suit to look professional as well, as if I know what I'm doing. I know how to bake and stuff, which I don't. Okay, so now I look professional and it looks like I know how to bake and all of that, but in reality, now you have to excuse me because I don't know how to bake this. I will be watching a YouTube video and she is basically speaking in English. I mean, she's basically speaking Swedish. But what I will do is I will find a English recipe and I will be linking that down below, because honestly you are going to enjoy it so much. I would suggest you to bake this as well, because you will be thanking me. The first thing you need to do is wash your hands. Okay, so that's what we are going to do. Wash our hands. And now we need to wash it extra because of coronavirus. Sorry for that. And I will be looking at this video one more time. For you Swedish people, I will link her video down below as well. Ni kommer att älska hennes bakelse. Det är så gott. Så jag kommer definitivt länka hennes video. Och så får ni ta baka också. The first thing she's saying is that she's going to start with the chocolate cake.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
Guys, be careful when you do this, honestly. And I'm going to heat this up first. So now I'm just taking flour, 3.5 deciliter, 3.5 deciliter. So 1, 2, 3.5. Let me see if I can get this right. Okay, this is 1/2. So after the flour, she puts sugar, and she puts the same amount of sugar inside, so 3.5 deciliter. Oh, that's a lot of sugar. Oh my god, this is a lot of sugar. Oh, my soul hurts. My soul hurts. 2, 3. Oh my god. Okay, so she's adding 1. Did I put the right amount? En matsked. En matsked. Oh, yeah, okay. Thank God. 1, 2, a little bit, so 0.25 deciliter. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so I need to add butter, but before adding butter, I need to add my 4 eggs. I think my mom, if she sees this video, she's actually going to slap me. It's like, what have you done to my kitchen? Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I might need more butter. I don't know. Let's see. So I think I'm done with the chocolate cake. I didn't put as much butter because I feel like this is enough. If I put more, then it's going to be really watery. Maybe it's supposed to be watery, I don't know. But let's just try and see how this will work. This will be in the oven for 20 minutes whilst I will be making the coconut tosca. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but in Swedish we say kokostoska. So I'm just going to put butter on the sides and then this around there as well. Finger. Oh, that hurt. That really hurt. See, this is what I'm saying. Every time I cook or every time I bake, either the food's gonna, or I'm going to burn myself or cut off my finger or something. I don't know how to bake. I keep on dropping everything. Look, this looks like a mess. I just dropped sugar. I was adding sugar in this cup, but instead I dropped because I'm blind. I can't see. going to do is put this back in the oven for 15 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to clean this kitchen. Look at the table. I need to clean all of this. Okay, as you can see, I'm sweating so much, and that is because I'm wearing a lot. I usually don't wear like this much when I'm cooking, but what I'm going to do now is I'm going to clean everything because it's a mess, and my mom is literally going to panic if she sees this kitchen like this. She's gonna be like, Farid, what is this? What have you done to my kitchen? No! You know that Bollywood scene, the zoom in effect? She's literally gonna be like that. My mom is going to be home in 20 minutes, and my little sister as well, and I just want to be done with this ASAP. I have the timer on, and I'm going to clean it quick, and then I'm going to show you how it looks, and then also after that I will basically just end the video. Once it's done, I will record it and then just post it as a end result. Okay. Woo. It's actually really warm. The chocolate and coconut Tosca cake is done. Honestly, it looks so good. It really does look really good. Now the only thing I have to do is wait 4 hours or up to 1 day basically, and then I will be able to do a taste test and see if I succeeded or not. I do think that I did a really good job. It was hectic. It was not hard at all. It was just that I'm really clumsy, and I take 4 hours instead of it taking 1 hour, so I'm just like that. My makeup is melting off, so the first thing I'm gonna do now is take my makeup off, wash my face, and just sit in front of a fan, and then later on I will be going to my cousin's place because we have majlis over there. So once I get back home, I will show you how it looks from inside as well. But yeah, I'm going to stop talking right now, and I will be ending the vlog with how the cake looks from inside, and I will let you know if it tastes good or how it tastes, because I love this chocolate coconut cake so much. It's crazy, and I definitely think that you should make it as well, and then you will thank me later. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I know it's all over the place, but I tried my best, and I really hope you enjoyed it. I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed everyone. Bye. It's in the fridge right now, and it looks really yummy. It's a little bit